Just got a text alert a little bit ago. This is a 60 tick candle on the NQ. This is a new trade setup that I've been trying, and on this larger chart, show you what I'm looking at here. You can pretty much see, and I encourage you to do the same on your charts. You can see that we have some nice support in here. Give me a second. And it took pretty much all day to get out of this range that it was stuck in. And when it broke out over here, kind of in this area, I'm interested in taking a trade.
NQ, buy signal 1.
So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to enter a few ticks above this. So 59 3/4.
Order submitted.
Now I don't know if I'll get filled, but the NQ is so choppy, I think I have a high probability of getting filled. Again, this is a very large candle. For me to do, the risk is just too high for me to enter up here on my traditional entries. So I'm just going to go 2-3 ticks above the open. Here's the open at 59. So I've got a limit order of 59.75 sitting there waiting. Okay.
Order filled.
Alright, so I'm actually going to go ahead and move this up. So the first one was off at 34, right? 77.68 1/4. Yeah, 34. And my next target is at 84. Okay, so the reason I'm trailing is because my 2-to-1 was set at 68 ticks. I manually moved it to this resistance that we have here. So
Target filled.
nice. Okay. So my 2-to-1, I bring my stop to break even. So at 68 ticks, that came to break even, and then it started trailing after that. Even though I moved my manual stop, it's still going to follow the same trail method that I have programmed. Okay. All right, my stop's at 80. This was a pretty late trade in the day, and we're starting to approach when the market's going to close, and I don't like to stay in trades at the very, very end of the day because the market can get really squirrely. So pretty soon here, I'm just going to manually close this if I have to. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and
stop filled.
all right. Okay, that's 213 ticks times $5. For you guys that are not futures traders, maybe I have some Forex traders watching this. The NQ is worth $5 a tick, so 213 times 5 is 1,065. And you can subtract about $15 in commissions. It's a little less than that, but the net is equal to 1,050 for the guys that always ask me. Yeah, I'm starting to like this setup.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave us a comment down below.